Welcome back, everyone. Today, we have some amazing kitchen and home gadgets for you. Grab your favorites, and you'll find links to all the products in the description below. This is the sharpener that turns your tired knives into slicing ninjas. With 3-action tungsten carbide tech, it hones, sharpens, and polishes in seconds, no special skills needed. Whether you're reviving grandma's heirloom blade or keeping your chef's knife on point, this tool respects the old ways of sharp steel but makes it ridiculously easy for modern kitchens. This drying rack isn't just a place to park dishes, it's a mini organization system that actually drains itself. With space for cups, utensils, plates, and even a mat that sends water straight to the sink, it keeps your counter dry and your vibe calm. A practical yet stylish gift for moms, minimalists, or anyone trying to keep the kitchen classy and clutter-free. This Presto bowl maker flips the waffle game on its head literally. It bakes thick, fluffy Belgian-style waffles into edible bowls ready to be filled with ice cream, fruit, chili, or eggs. Perfect for breakfast, brunch, or dessert night, its retro charm meets TikTok-worthy food creativity. Serve nostalgia with a modern twist and maybe a scoop of whipped cream. This egg holder is like a tiny escalator for your eggs. Just grab one and the next rolls right up. Made of crystal clear plastic with a removable tray, it's stackable, smart, and way cooler than that flimsy store carton. Clean fridge, easy access, and good old-fashioned egg organization, it's serving all of it. This salad shooter is your shortcut to chef-level slicing without the arm workout. Just point, shoot, and it shreds cheese, veggies, or even chocolate straight into your bowl or pan. Great for tacos, salads, meal prep, and beyond. Old-school kitchen prep just got a turbo-powered upgrade and cleanup a breeze. This Nugget Ice Machine is a certified crowd pleaser, turning out 35 pounds of crunchy, chewy ice per day. Perfect for cocktails, smoothies, or just the fancy hydration life. Sleek stainless steel, self-cleaning mode, and whisper quiet operation make it ideal for home, office, or party central. It's giving soda shop nostalgia but with convenience. These compact stainless steel sauce containers are lunchbox lifesavers. Leak-proof, reusable, and perfectly portioned, they're great for dressings, dips, and tiny snacks on the go. Whether it's school, work, or a picnic under the sun, they bring that old-fashioned everything in its place vibe to your modern meal prep game. This microwave splatter guard is part cover, part magic trick. It collapses flat to save space, fits over most bowls and plates, and keeps your microwave clean with zero drama. BPA-free, dishwasher-safe, and heat-resistant, it's every grandma's favorite trick made friendly. This 3-in-1 brush is like the Swiss Army knife for your travel mugs. It gets into those tight lid crevices, rubber seals, and bottle gaps where gunk loves to hide. Compact, portable, and satisfying to use, it's how you keep things clean the way your mom taught you but with upgraded tools. This is your fridge's new coolest resident. This adorable little penguin isn't just chilling for the vibes, he's packed with baking soda to keep your fridge fresh, clean, and odor-free. No more mystery smells, no more awkward whiffs. Just pop off his belly, fill it up, and let him do the dirty work while looking cute on duty. Whether it's leftover takeout or Aunt Karen's tuna casserole, Chill Bill's got your back. A charming gift, a quirky gadget, and a total fridge game changer. This is the ultimate silent hero of your hardwood floors, a pack of small chair leg floor protectors that slide on like a dream and stay put like a pro. Crafted with durable silicone and reinforced felt bottoms, these little caps reduce noise, prevent scratches, and stop those wobbly chair moments from wrecking your space. Whether you're hosting guests or just dragging chairs around while on a call, these protectors keep things smooth and silent. Clear, discreet, and designed to fit snugly on legs, they're a small detail with major impact. Peace for your floors and your ears. This is your closet's new secret weapon, the MORALVE space-saving pants hangers that turn chaos into calm. Each non-slip, multi-layer hanger holds multiple pairs of jeans, trousers, skirts, scarves, or slacks without creasing or slipping, freeing up serious closet real estate. With a sleek black finish and strong, durable build, these organizers are perfect for anyone ready to ditch the hanger struggle and level up their wardrobe game. No more tangled piles or wasted space, just clean lines and easy access. Stylish storage just got a serious upgrade. This is heat protection with the Mad Shark silicone oven mitts are heat resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, waterproof, non-slip, and fully lined with soft cotton for max comfort. Whether you're baking banana bread or flipping burgers on the grill, these gloves have your hands fully covered literally. No burns, no slips, no stress. Just pro-level grip that's as tough as you are. Even the hottest pans don't stand a chance. This is the chill companion your couch has been craving. The Hit Products Couch Coaster keeps your drinks steady and spill-free. No side table needed. Designed to hug your sofa's armrest with a weighted, anti-slip base, it fits mugs, bottles, cans, and cups like a champ. Movie night, game day, just another Tuesday sip with zero slip. It's your sofa's new MVP. This is a cool, compact luxury Antarctic Star mini fridge. Fits 12 bottles or 48 cans with style to spare. With its sleek glass door, electronic knob control, and whisper quiet operation, it's perfect for your home bar, office, dorm, or man cave. Drinks stay perfectly chilled and always within reach. It's not just a fridge, it's a vibe upgrade. This is the ultimate glassware glow-up, a 6-piece set of 20 ounces aesthetic glasses with bamboo lids and glass straws that are perfect for iced coffee, smoothies, boba, or that DIY lemonade. Each glass is stylish, reusable, and eco-friendly, the kind of set that makes your kitchen shelf and your Insta look on point. Sip clean, sip cute. This is your lunch, leveled up. The double-deck lunch bag is leak-proof, insulated, and has 2 spacious compartments for meal prep wins and snack stash glory. It keeps your hot stuff hot, your cold drinks cold, and your sandwich from getting smushed. Whether it's the office grind or road trip mode, it's ready to roll with you, sleek, tough, and lunch-lovin'. Leveled up. The double-deck lunch bag is leak-proof, insulated, and has 2 spacious compartments for meal prep wins and snack stash glory. Your cold drinks cold, and your sandwich from getting smushed. Road trip mode, it's ready to roll with you, sleek, tough, and lunch-lovin'. This stainless steel food mill is perfect for creating smooth sauces, mashed potatoes, and jams. With 3 milling discs, it lets you adjust the texture of your ingredients to perfection. The ergonomic rotary design ensures easy use, while the silicone handle provides a comfortable, non-slip grip. Its multifunctional design makes it ideal for a variety of cooking tasks. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Whether you're prepping fresh tomato sauce or making homemade jams, this food mill is a kitchen essential. This electric peeler makes peeling vegetables and fruits a breeze. Simply place your produce on the peeler, press the button, and let the electric peeler do the work. It effortlessly removes skins with precision, saving you time and effort. The peeler comes with 2 spare blades, ensuring long-lasting use. It's safe, easy to use, and perfect for potatoes, apples, and more. Enjoy smooth, quick peeling with no mess. Ideal for busy kitchens or meal prep. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.